Hello friends, welcome to the Mavi Investor Educational Video Series. How are you doing? I hope you're having great time in the markets. Um, we today on this video we are going to talk about how we can analyze different stocks and identify short-term to medium-term kind of trends that will be like for few days to few weeks kind of trades, in which stocks we can trade. So this is again a series of videos. Every month we will have one video and analyze 2-3 stocks. Okay, so for this month we have IndusInd Bank. We have identified IndusInd Bank, PNC Infra and Sun Pharma, and through this you should be able to also, while you get a couple of good stock ideas for the month, you also get to know how you could yourself analyze the stocks like this. Okay, and on longer term it will help you to learn technical analysis, refine your skills in technical analysis. Basically it can't help you from scratch. All right, so let's straight away jump to the charts. I'm using tradingview.com and let's go for our charts. IndusInd Bank. Not futures, stocks, yes. Okay, I'm on IndusInd Bank. This thick red line is basically 200 DMA line, which is a very important moving average, 200-day simple moving average we are using to see how the longer term trend is, and it is very important for institutional investors because they track it, and based on that also sometimes they take their investment decisions. Alright, so how is IndusInd Bank? Mostly we'll be using for short-term trades daily charts. So let's be in daily charts, and we can see if we have to see the longer term trend as well to understand where we stand. Okay, so IndusInd, this is daily chart. This is the current price area. Here we see we have IndusInd Bank was trading in a nice trading channel, very small, you can say upward sloping, not great upward sloping, from here to here. All right, okay, so not perfectly parallel but almost. So this is the good trading channel, but it was not greatly upward sloping. It is more of a consolidation zone. But now what is happening is in the recent time, and for this it is also important we analyze the volume along with it. Okay, so let me add the volume as well. All right, in the recent time now, if you see this upward channel is crossed, okay, here this day on 10th November it crossed, you can see that, and with huge volume, very good volume, and you can see this green big tower. Then it corrected little bit and it could not go down further. So this it wants to, it means basically this cross of a small consolidation, big consolidation zone, and with big volume it crossed over it, and then after confirming the support from that zone it is now going up consistently. So now, I mean, in last one and a half week it was always a good time to buy IndusInd Bank for further uptrend, and even now it can be bought. Okay, so that's the basis based on which we are saying IndusInd Bank can be bought. Importantly also, you can see it is trading well above 200 DMA now, so that hurdle is also passed. Okay, so this is the reason we think that IndusInd Bank should start a fresh uptrend, and it has a lot of scope to go up. So you can see the previous fall, it has been so steep, the upward trend at least till this first conversion zone, it can very easily climb with a faster pace. So one should enjoy that pace this right time to enter and enjoy that pace as well. All right, so that's one. Let's move to the other stock. We have PNC Infra. PNC Infra. What do we have in PNC Infra? Let's see, daily chart, trading well above 200 DMA. What do you see? Let's try to draw some trend lines, what we can do. What we are seeing, in fact, if I make this is more of a horizontal line, we join the other two. Okay, so what's the pattern we see? It's an ascending triangle. If I extend this further, these two lines are going to meet someday and make an ascending triangle kind of pattern. Okay, ascending triangle. See the volumes in this zone, 3-4 green big towers. So when it is trying to cross this ascending triangle, it has very good volume, so it is quite ready to break out. It has just spilled over the upper line as well, correct? So this is the ascending triangle breakout you are going to buy into. Okay, and obviously from price target perspective, you can look at the concession zone, where you could find some resistance, but ultimate target could be these higher price levels, like somewhere here, because you have to respect the price target which an ascending triangle itself will give. So it cannot stop so easily, in this zone itself. It has to go past some, on the higher side because of the width of the triangle which is there. Okay, so this also has a good 15, 20, 25% kind of price, if you calculate, can be the price target. So this is very good point to get into PNC Infra as well, based on ascending triangle breakout supported by good volume. All right, we have one more stock for today, that's Sun Pharma. Let's see what do we have in Sun Pharma. What do we have? Daily chart again. Do you see some pattern? Yes, I do. Join these two lines. It's a neckline for a broader bullish head and shoulder, right? And very good breakout here. Excellent volume on the day it crossed, right? And at least you should see that it is double or triple the average volume. Okay, you can take average of volume for last 1 month, and around the breakout zone you should see good volumes on days. On the breakout days it should be 2 times 3 times more volume than average. So broadly you can see the outline. It is kind of a bullish head and shoulder kind of pattern. There may be 1 or 2 wiggles more, which is fine as long as it looks quite symmetrical and looks like a decent outline of a bullish head and shoulder, right? Very good breakout. Now it has, last 3-4 days it has climbed up little bit too much, so you can wait for some 4-5% correction and then buy. That might be a better price. Okay, it is also possible that it turns back and makes a dip and tests this neckline once. Probably that will be the better entry point when you enter there. But overall it is slated to show you a good trend. And very importantly, Sun Pharma has underperformed the overall pharma rally in last 1 year, and Sun Pharma is breaking out right now. It could give more trend now. Probably it wants to go up now and catch up with the other pharma companies who have been trading at really highs. And you can check from price target perspective what's the scope based on resistances. I won't go there. Slowly we'll get to such things as well, as we go to next videos in future months. Okay, so these are the three stocks, and you can see different patterns we talked about, which you can utilize, how you could identify these stocks to trade: IndusInd Bank, PNC Infra, and Sun Pharma. All right, so that is it for today, and I hope these are useful information for you. Next month we'll again come back with the new set of stocks and analyze them, why we should invest into those. Remember, whatever we are talking here is only short to medium term kind of perspective. We are not looking at too much of a longer term time horizon. Okay, so that's it for today. Have good trading in the market and enjoy. Thank you. Bye bye.